guys. Yeah!
You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Oh my goodness. Good morning, family and friends. This is JU. First trip out here. We're gonna go try to see if we can catch some shad today. Reports are that they're in the Sacramento River. So follow along with us and see how we do today. I'm gonna be with my brother, the captain, and another new friend that's gonna be fishing with us. We're ready to go. Alright family, here are some local fishermen trying to see who's going to be able to get the very first shad of the season from the Sacramento River. There's only about 3 boats right now and maybe about a dozen of bank anglers here down in Freeport.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Go.
Oh yeah, baby! Woo! What? Oh man, that was a hard one. Fish on!
Cần quanh này anh. Hụt rồi, ngưng rồi, đã ngưng.
Yeah! Woo! Alright, by the way, family, this is my New Hope, the handle to the net. It's so cool because all I have to do is just push this little button right here and then I can use a smaller net. Because New Hope, I think, is too big. We use it for sturgeon. Right now we're fishing for shad, so I need a little bit smaller net. So I just remove the handle right there, as you can see. And I just adjust this little small net that I found around the house. And I'm ready for that shad when it comes. All right, family, this is JU. We've been here for almost 3 hours. We got 2 bites right around 1 o'clock. The fish made the apartment, but we were not ready. But we're gonna be ready next time they come by.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Đi không? Tính nổi xí.
Yeah! Woo! Get him!
Cái gì, thích cái gì.
Yeah.
Không phải sợ.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, see? We're ready this time. We're ready this time.
Ready for the fish.
Yeah, we're ready this time.
Yep. Ready.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Let's go. Let's go.
Go fish.
We're ready this time. Whoa, yeah, baby. Woo!
Ready for it.
We're ready.
Not going to let you escape from us. Oh,
Ooh, yeah, baby.
yeah, baby.
We are ready, yeah. Yeah! JU Hammer, baby.
You get him.
JU Hammer with him, too. Bam! JU Hammer. Bam, bam, yeah. Woo!
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Đấy, cân.
Oh, no, sai cân. Yeah. Dính rồi, yeah. Wow! Yeah, baby. Woo!
Dính này.
Yeah.
Oh, big one.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice one. Yeah, baby.
That's a good one. Oh my goodness. Chạy.
Yeah.
Anh chụp em lôi cần không cần đâu. Em coi đứng đây giờ sau cần lôi.
The captain is on, guys. The captain is on. The second shad of the day. Yeah, baby.
Oh,
This is a big one, guys. Look at this. The captain is on. Yeah, look at this.
I'm on. Let's see.
Woo. Oh,
Okay, down
it's
here.
way
Okay,
down the
down
bottom.
Down here. Okay,
It's
no
okay.
problem.
No problem.
Down
We
here,
take our
no
time.
problem. I'm going to bring you in. Don't worry. You be in my boat.
Soon you're gonna be in the boat.
Soon you be in the boat. Don't worry. You want to see the boat? I got a good boat. Come here.
Yeah, we'll
Come
get
here,
you.
boy. Come.
We'll
Let's
get
come. Ooh, good.
you. Look at that rod band, guys. Yeah! Woohoo! Bam! Bam! Yeah! Bam! Bam! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah,
Look at that! Look at that color, guys.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Good going.
Oh yeah! Woo! That's right.
Good going. Good job.
Yeah, baby. Fish on, family. Fish on. Look at that.
Oh, man.
Fish on. Dang, we got it. We missed a lot of bite today, family, but sooner or later we gotta get them. This time we got them. There he is, family. Here we go. There we go. Bam! Yeah. Woo! Come on, gotta do a GU hammer now. Bam! Bam!
GU hammer.
Bam! Bam! Yeah!
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Dính rồi, dạ biết ngay mà.
Yeah! Woo! Get him! Fish on, baby. Another fish on. This time the captain is on.
Có những cái cần không? Có cái cần không coi lại. Có những cái búi cần không á? Yeah, fish on.
Fish on, baby.
Fish on, baby. Fish on, man.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Ồ, con này cũng lớn.
Fish on.
Chưa thấy nó, chưa thấy
Như thế
nó.
nó đang chạy ấy. My goodness. My goodness. Fish on, baby. Đó, thấy rồi. Don't jump.
Lớn đấy nhỉ.
All right, the captain is on. Oh, that went airborne on that one. Oh yeah, baby! Get a JU hammer now. Get a JU hammer going down. Bam!
Bam!
Woo!
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Dính nữa rồi.
Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah!
Time.
It's right time now.
Time on, man.
This is the time.
Đây.
This is the time.
Nước ra kìa.
Cái kia phải không?
Nước ra đây. Nước ra rồi đấy. My goodness, what the heck?
This is the time. Oop. This is the time, baby.
Kéo từ từ đi. Trời mắt anh đi.
Nó cân phăng. Ồ, còn được bự nha.
Anh câu người làm được rồi nhé. Đó, thấy chưa?
Đã chưa. Anh khoảng lôi vô đó.
Yeah! Woo!
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, you hammer chưa?
GU hammer.
You hammer.
Bam!
Bam! Bam! Yeah! Woo!
Thấy con dao không có gặp.
That's a lot of hammer going down today.
Không mua sớm mới
Fish
biết
on,
được tiền.
fish on,
Không có
fish
nữa.
on, fish
Cái đó
on,
là cái màu
fish on,
đen.
fish on,
Không có
fish
nữa.
on.
Dính.
You go, yeah!
Dính rồi.
Woo!
Rồi,
Yeah,
baby.
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 That's what I'm talking about. We are on again, baby.
That's a good.
That was a good hook set. That was a good hook set.
Đúng rồi.
Yeah, baby.
Good hook set.
That was a good hook set. Love it. Nó chạy xa quá. Wow.
Lái mình nữa thôi.
Oh, man. Coi chừng mắc cái dây kia luôn. Careful. All right. My two big brothers are on it again. Today there's like there's a channel that I run to. It's like the width of the boat, so they're really good today, right on the width of that boat right there. Hey, it is right there. There it is. There it is. It's a little guy, but man, it's fighting good. Yeah, baby. Wow, there's another JU hammer going down right there.
JU hammer.
Bam, bam, yeah.
JU hammer.
Woo, bam. That's what I'm talking about, right there. Hey, what's up, guys? Nah, we only got 6, brother. Yeah, but way down there by the rocky shore. Yeah. What's that?
No striper.
No striper. I tried for striper, I didn't get nothing. You guys got any shad? You got what?
20.
20. Wow. Man, that's a spot. Okay, there's one of my viewers, man, with 20 shad, guys. So they're definitely here. All right. Hey, family and friend, this is JU. Today, I'm on a Sturgeon Bandit, but we are fishing for American Shad for the very first time. You already know my big brother, Captain Chris, but I got a new guest for you guys. Anh Trung, right here, that's his name. He's with us today. All right. He might be, is this his first time fishing for American Shad in Sacramento River?
Yes.
Okay. First time fishing for American Shad in the Sacramento River. Hey, I think he outdo both of us.
Yeah.
He was really good, today. The shad was running in the middle. And man, you got the wings and, they didn't touch my pole, but both my brother using the same rig that we use, the Jakey Shad Smacker. And I'll show you guys how to rig that up. But we did pretty good for the first day. It's low, but we got 6 in 6 hours.
And we are missing a few.
Yeah,
bites.
we missed a few bites.
Yeah, well, actually, a bite, but we missing. We didn't.
Yeah, well,
Wasn't
one
that-
of them, the captain didn't tie his knot real well. But hey,
Well, it was late at night, so that's
Yeah.
why I didn't tie it very well.
yeah. But it's fun. We had a lot of fun today. We have to watch the tides. Watch for the outgoing tide. That's when you want to come out. All right, family. There are a lot of good fishing videos out there. Thank you so much for coming to check us out. Until the next time, peace out, family. Woo! Bam.